The first question I always ask to my client whenever they come for a website development is, do you know what is Shopify? And are you aware about the Shopify charges? I am Cinderella. I'm an e-commerce strategist and also a Shopify website developer. I have 10 plus years of experience in e-commerce and I provide tailored e-commerce strategies for D2C brand. In this video, I'm going to tell you what are all the charges involved in having a Shopify website. There are two kind of charges. One is one-time charge and the other one is recurring charges. One-time charges are nothing but your development charges and your theme charges. Let's assume that you are developing it on a free theme, so there are no charges involved. But whereas, let's assume you have a great brand developed on social media and you always wanted to have a classic website. In that case, go for a paid theme which will cost you anywhere between 250 USD to 400 USD from Shopify theme store. Number 2, this is called recurring charges. Recurring charges are nothing but every single month you will be paying these charges. When it comes to recurring charges, the first thing is subscription charges. Shopify has 4 different plans and based on your subscription plan, the charges are going to be. And number 2, in the recurring charges, based on the Shopify plan that you choose, Shopify is going to charge you a small percentage of transaction fee in every single transaction. Let's assume that you are on a basic Shopify subscription plan. So there is a percentage of transactional fee which is applicable for every single transaction. Number 3, payment gateway charges. In India, we have numerous payment gateway and to name very few, there are Razorpay, cash free payments, CC Avenue, GoQuick. And all these payment gateway charge you in a different way. For example, let's say Razorpay. Razorpay will charge you anywhere between 1% to 4% based on the payment mode and based on the payment method your customers are choosing. And the fourth, recurring charges. It's nothing but the external app charges. Here we have to be very careful. As a D2C owner, you might want more features to be displayed on your website, and not all features are available on free theme and on a paid theme as well. So in this case, we developers might need to use external apps. And for example, let's assume you wanted to include reviews to your website, and there are many review apps, but one of my favorite app is called Looks. Let's assume you are including Looks. Looks has different subscription plan again. To start with $9.9, which is almost USD 10, and without referrals, it's just for collecting reviews. And there comes your charges. And let's say you also wanted WhatsApp messages to be sent, bulk SMS or promotional SMS. You have a great database of your customers all these years and you wanted to utilize the database. In this case, you need to include a WhatsApp API software, and I'll be talking more about different kind of WhatsApp APIs that is available in India in the upcoming video. And for WhatsApp API, you really need to have a two different budget again. WhatsApp API app charges plus the conversation charges. How much ever messages you're going to use every single month, that is going to be a separate charges. So as a D2C owner, you really need to be aware of what kind of features you wanted to include in your website, and based on that your charges will be. I have also included a shorts on how to choose a theme. You can check here. If you are a D2C owner and if you are thinking of having a Shopify website, then you must be aware of all these charges. See you all again in one more insightful video.